Did you have 100 grand at age 22?
22? No.
Me neither.
No, I was like running up
Wasn't even close to
$100,000
it.
bar tabs. Hey, I'm Nick. I'm 22 years old. I have $40,000 in my liquid savings. I have $25,000 in my Roth-TSP. I was an active duty Navy, no longer looking at rolling that over so I can put more money into it. Well, this isn't really my question. If you have any suggestions on how to roll it over or what to do with it, I'm all ears. I work and go to college full-time and earn $65,000 a year working in IT. I have zero debt, own my car outright, and rent a small apartment in Phoenix, Arizona. Can you gentlemen please help me with what the next move to helping me retire by 50 is? Please let me know. My family is a bunch of avid listeners. Thank you, guys.
Awesome. Thank you, Nick.
Right. Family's a bunch of avid listeners.
Yep.
You got
Not
Nick.
necessarily to this show.
They listen to other shows.
Appreciate it. Little was active duty, a little Navy.
Yeah. Nick, thank you for your service, first of all.
Yep, absolutely.
And you know
The
what?
guy's killing it. He's
22 years old. Crazy. You're doing great.
Without question.
Keep it up.
You got $40,000 in liquid savings. Plus, he's almost got $100 grand.
I know.
$75,000. The guy makes 60. He's going to school full time.
Did you have 100 grand at age 22?
22? No.
Me neither.
No, I was like running up
Wasn't even close to
$100,000
it.
bar tabs.
It took you 10 years to pay off.
I'm still paying them off. Yeah, 22, not a chance. No, but congrats. So I guess rolling over the TSP into a Roth IRA, you don't have to necessarily roll the TSP into a Roth IRA. You can open up a Roth IRA, Nick, and you can contribute to it.
Yeah.
So the TSP is a really good account. It's very low in cost. If you want to make it simple, you might want to roll it to a Roth IRA. You can open one up at, Schwab, TD Ameritrade, Vanguard, wherever, right? Something where you feel comfortable with managing the money. So you can roll the TSP there, keep the TSP as is, and just open up a Roth IRA, and you can make contributions to that every year.
Right. And at age 22, this is what I would tell my kids and did tell my kids. You want to be in the market as opposed to in cash and bonds in this Roth IRA. So, and be globally diversified, low cost. So get a total stock market fund. Vanguard has one. So does Schwab and others. Get a total international fund and focus on equities because they're going to grow more. They're going to be more volatile, but over the next 28 years, they're going to produce the rate of return that you're looking for.
Yeah. And I would try to save 20% of your income. That would get you probably to retirement at 50.
Yeah. Especially starting at 100.
Yep.
Yeah.
So that would be the goal. Trying to save 20%. And if you can do that, then trying to save a little bit more, then you're going to, have some optionality. But congratulations, Nick. Thank you and your family for being avid listeners.
Are you prepared for retirement? Schedule a free financial assessment with an experienced financial professional right online at purefinancial.com.